your hands are colder, colder. There's no beating coming from your wooden chest. Frozen grin, a mannequin when I get closer.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. Hi! Today's video is in collaboration with Ria. She is super talented. Make sure to go and check her out. The links will be in the description down below. So today's look is inspired by, oh god, so many different versions of this look. So this look was inspired by Makeup by Jack, but I did see another artist create something super similar to this prior to Makeup by Jack. So give me a sec, let me pull her up. So Kanisha, I really hope I said your name right, girl. She created something super similar to this as well, and she created this about a year ago. So this is the look I decided to do. I originally was going to do a full-on Pennywise look, but I was still trying to figure out where this look was gonna go and what I was gonna put in like the little paintbrush stroke, and I wanted it to be very Halloween and creative, and I didn't want it to be a boring makeup look. So this is what we came up with. Here we are. Hello. Hi. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to learn how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching.
If you can cry real tears, then you...
Alright guys, so here's our little paintbrush. It was just $1 at Michael's. I am using the Makeup Forever Artist Colored Pencil in, I think it's like Boundless Bisque, I think it's called. And I'm just outlining how big the brush is. You'll see that I went back a little bit later on to make the little like sliver on my face bigger. Just to accommodate the Pennywise, and so that it actually looks like Pennywise. I took some concealer. I just used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer to pat that all around, like that little I'm just gonna call it a sliver, okay guys? I don't know what to call it. I set everything with the Tarte Shape Tape powder, and then I'm just using the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette to blend a red into the crease and underneath my eye. I'm mainly going to be using just like these two reds and this black shade from the Tarteist Pro palette, and that's what I'm going to be using for this whole look. It's a pretty easy, simple look. It's nothing crazy. It's just kind of like knowing how to draw like the shape of the Pennywise mouth, I guess. So I went back and forth into the black and red for the eyes, and then I filled the brows in just with a dark brown from this palette. You can do whatever you'd like. I wanted to go with more of like a pretty kind of Pennywise, if that makes any sense. I'm taking the Pure On Point eyeliner, and I'm just filling in my lips with it. On the outside, I'm going to do like an ombre red and like black lip. And then I used some shadow to start the kind of like outer part of the Pennywise like mouth. And then I'm just speeding it up here because this is where I extended the little sliver on my face just a little bit, because I wanted the, I don't know, I wanted the Pennywise like mouth to be kind of like the main focus so that you guys knew what it was. Then I'm using a Buxom mascara and the Pure eyeliner once again just to tightline and throw some mascara on my lashes. For the falsies, I used the Noel lashes from Huda Beauty, and then I just took a makeup remover wipe just to kind of shape out that line, make sure it's perfectly straight. I'm using this CoverGirl liquid lipstick to fill in my lips. I also used a little bit of the liquid lipstick to kind of brighten up the red. You'll see me I used a little bit out on my nose and on the little smile, the Pennywise smile. And we're just going to blend that in with a blending brush. And then we're going to move on to this Snazaroo black paint, my favorite paint ever for Halloween. And I'm just going to take a really thin detail brush. This is actually a brush from Michael's. It's a paint brush. And I'm just using that to create a really small line inside of that red that we created for the mouth. And then I'm just creating just a circle for the nose, and this is what it looks like so far. Now time for the white. This is the easy part. I'm just taking a really straight edge brush, and I'm going to outline like around the little sliver. Oh my god, it's so weird calling it a sliver. A sliver. I'm gonna outline around it first so that I can be a little bit, you know, so I'm precise like with this portion, and then I'm going to just fill in the entire rest of the face with white paint. I brushed it on first and I didn't really love the way that it looked because it was a little streaky, so I went back with just like a crappy sponge and I filled it in even more, and then it was super opaque and looked good. And the good thing about this paint too is you don't really need to set it. You can if you want to, but it really didn't need to be set. I also put the white on my neck and on my chest just to make it look like a full picture. And that's it, guys. Here's the final look. Alright guys, that's all I got for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed this one right here, and I hope you're enjoying the entire 31 days of Halloween thus far. I know I am. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below your absolute favorite Halloween movie ever. I think my favorite movie is probably Halloween Town, and they need to come back with more and keep the series going. My favorite's probably Halloween Town because it's not that scary. Make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen as always, and click the notification bell. Make sure that you get to see every single one of my videos, or just check back every single day because we post almost every single day. Girl, we do. And check out all the rest of my Halloween and other tutorials right here on the side. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you like this one, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye.